Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Deani Curls and I am back with another video. And so for whatever reason, I decided not to do my hair last night and I'm left with this mess. So I'm just going to show you all how I do my double ninja buns. So I like to do like a diagonal, like a zigzag part down my head, but this comb sucks, so I can't really get the part as clean as I would like. But yeah, I normally like to do a zigzag just to add a little bit more style to it. And I know y'all like, how she gonna get that mess into two ponytails? Well, I like to start by just spraying my hair, which helps to loosen it up a little bit, because you see it's like really thick and tightly packed together. So if you add a little bit of water, it'll be easier to comb your hair out. You don't want to comb your hair out when it's dry, because then that's when you'll start getting a lot of breakage. So if you hear like a crunch when you're trying to comb your hair, that means that you need to add some moisture so that it's a little easier for you. I don't know why I didn't show what product I was using, but I'm just using the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner, which is what I always use to put my hair in the ponytail. So I'm just going to put that all around the edges of the ponytail and then also through the ponytail a little bit, just to make it easier to brush. And you can add as much product as you need to get your hair to lay down. When my hair is thick like this, I have to add a lot of water and product because it's a little hard to brush. And you're just going to do the same thing for the other side. You just want to make sure that when you do this ponytail, you try to make it as even as possible with the other ponytail, because sometimes I have a ponytail up high and the other one low, and that really bothers me. So try your best to get the ponytails directly across from each other. And then you can go ahead and clean up any loose ends and get to your edges. I've been using gel on my edges lately, the Curly Kids gel, which has been perfect. It lasts all day, and then it doesn't leave any type of residue or any white flakes, or leave my edges feeling harder, anything like that. So I think this is a really good, nice soft gel for your edges. And then if you want, you can leave your hair like this, but I don't want any puffs today, so I'm going to be doing my hair into some buns. So all you have to do is wrap your hair over, add a rubber band, and then either like tuck your hair underneath or add a bobby pin or another rubber band. And then you're all set. You just have 2 double ninja buns. You just want to make sure everything is nice and smooth, and that's it.